guys, here we are again. Today I am doing a everyday makeup with you. This is what I usually do every day before I go to work. So just an ordinary working girl who just want to look good and look put together with my makeup every day I go to work. So I usually use nude and brown palette. I use a little bit of black to just enhance a little bit of my eyelids, so at least there's a little bit of definition there. And then use a little bit of that eyeliner for the upper lid and the lower lid, and then highlights on the dark corner of my eye. And let's have a little bit of snacks there. Take a break. So we're putting on our fake eyelashes. I don't usually put a fake eyelashes every day, but when I have time, I will. I feel good about it. I feel good when I put it on. And that's our contour. I don't go overboard because I'm not going to a party. I go to work every day. So we're trying to aim for me. No makeup look. And that is the highlighter. A little bit of that. And then we'll go to the lips. It's usually use neutral and a little bit more richer than neutral lipstick. And I put a small amount of lip gloss and I dab it with a really nude matte lipstick and take a break. And there we are. I'm ready to go to work and see you guys.